I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Kali Forms. Copy the webhook URL and fetch it. Now go to the Kali Forms dashboard and edit the form. Go to the setting and click on Webhook. Give here a name. Create. Paste the webhook URL in the payload URL. Map the respective fields. Save. Test. Test done. Now go to Bit Integrations dashboard, and here you can see the data is fetched successfully. Set actions. Search and select actions. Integrately. Give here the webhook link. So visit Integrately dashboard. To make the automation, choose the app. Webhook. Now choose your second desired app to send the data. I am choosing Airtable. Now select the condition. Go. Copy the webhook URL and paste it here. Body. Send all data. Choose application JSON. Test webhook. Webhook executed successfully done. Next. Finish and save it. Click on I have set this URL in webhook. Done. Check it received. Continue. Choose base ID and table name. Continue. Map the respective fields. Turn on the automation. Go to the Kali Forms and fill in the form. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to the Airtable page. And you can see the data came successfully in the Airtable. Thanks for watching.